This is question 11 from exercise 17.8 in Project Maths 2. What sum of money invested at 2% per annum compound interest would produce interest of €306.04 after 3 years? Okay, so let's just write down what information we do have on this before we get going. So we've got our interest rate is going to be 0.02, that's our 2%. Our time, our t, is going to be equal to 3. That's how much it was compounded. And we don't have a final amount or a principal amount, but we do have the interest, which means that we can say that final minus principal, which is how you would get the interest amount total, is equal to 306.04. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Now let's just think about our compound interest formula, which is F equals P times 1 plus I to the power of t. And we can fill in what we do know from this. So again, we don't know our final and we don't know our principal. But we do know our I and our t, so it's going to be 1.02 and 3. But we do know what final minus principal is because they give us that, that's what our interest is. So if we take principal from both sides, so we go F minus P is equal to P times 1.02 to the 3 minus P. So all we've done is we've just taken P away from both sides. Now on the left hand side we have 306.04, and on the right hand side, if we factorize P out of this, we get P times 1.02 cubed minus 1, like that. Well, now we have an equation with only one variable, which means we can easily solve this out. So if we divide this over, we get 306.04 all over 1.02 cubed minus 1 is equal to P. And we can just stick that straight into our calculator, and the value we'll get out for that in the end is just going to be €5,000. And that is that.